what vehicle was it? A Rav?
09 Rav4.
All right, awesome. Dude, I appreciate it. What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas, Jacob. Nice to meet you, man. Could you give me a rundown real quick what all's in here?
It's 2 American Bass HDs, Skar RP 3500. It's got a full 300 amp alternator, big 3, the whole 9 yards. Damn, blowing something up over there. D6 components in the front, PRV 250s in the back as far as highs go. And it's 09
Awesome.
Rav4.
Yes, sir. Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the specs, tuning-wise?
Yeah, it's a 4th order. It's ported sides, 9 cube, 1.5 in each chamber for the sealed. So it's like 3 cube on the sealed side.
Okay. Yep. Awesome. Have you metered it?
It's a 146.8. I need more
That's
power.
good.
But it's only 1,800 watts.
Yeah,
so
that's good.
order.
Oh man, awesome.
So it's about to go to 7,500.
Okay. Sweet. Can I see the back real quick? All right. Appreciate the demo. Team AINTLOUD?
Yep.
There we go. That's a good little compartment. You got everything underneath
Yeah.
to get to. Carpeted. What is the amp wired to?
1 ohm. So it's probably getting between 3.5 and 4 ohms.
And what vehicle was it? A Rav?
09 Rav4.
All right, awesome. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate the demo.
Appreciate it, man. Wait, beach, iceberg, ice tray, plug call, try to front, I don't need it, pocket strong, it's a nigga strong, get freezing, you don't
Awesome, dude. going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.